Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. As you have seen in front of me a Realme C33, and now I'm gonna show you how to enable call waiting on this device. Firstly, you need to open phone application, then click on the three dots button on the top right corner of your screen, then click settings, then scroll down and choose calling account, then choose Virgin Mobile or your operator, then choose advanced additional settings, and here wait a while and enable call waiting. During the call, notify me of incoming calls. Wait for it. And that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.